Hello, everyone. Andreas here speaking. Welcome to another Disamtex promotional video. I'd like to talk today about the family of adhesion promoters manufactured by Disamtex Chemicals, which is a paint additive factory situated in southern Brazil. And within the paint additives universe, Disamtex has a wide range of product families. You can check that and our portfolio or uh, technical and safety data sheets in the description box below. So let's get started. Well, the addition promoters family from Disamtex um, is a short one. We've got two products in that line. And Disamtex Addition Promoters line is designed to solve one of the toughest coating challenges, which is bonding the enamel to low energy or inorganic substrates. And addition promoters act at the interface between the coating and the surface, improving wetting, anchoring, and long-term adhesion. That's what we want. So Dacode CP25 is a chlorinated polyolefin additive developed specifically for plastics, such as polypropylene, polyethylene, commonly found in automotive bumpers, car parts in general. And it works by interacting with the polyolefin surface while remaining compatible with solvent-based coating binders. And this creates a strong interfacial layer that allows primers, base coats, clear coats to adhere reliably to plastics. CP25 can be used directly in primers or as a thin adhesion promoting layer, improving peel resistance and durability. And from a commercial point of view, it reduces surface pre-treatment needs and increases process robustness. Now, Dacode Sil 100 is a modified silane adhesion promoter for glass and other inorganic substrates like porcelain, ceramics, and it forms covalent bonds with the substrate surface while chemically coupling with the paint resin. And this dual reactivity significantly enhances adhesion, also moisture resistance and long-term stability. So Sil 100 is compatible with solvent-based systems, and typical applications would include glass coatings, primers, and varnishes requiring high adhesion performance. And both products, CP25 and Sil 100, are easy to incorporate at low dosages, offering strong technical impact with low formulation cost. Together, they position Disamtex as a solution provider for demanding adhesion challenges across substrates and industries. And thank you very much for watching. Please do get in touch as we are fully available for further conversations on these subjects. And I hope this makes sense to you. So I see you in the next video. Bye.